Hello. A variety of inhaler devices are available to treat lung conditions. This video will show you how to use your Turbohaler inhaler. If you use your inhaler correctly, you'll get more of the medication into your lungs, giving you better control of your breathing problem. But if used incorrectly, you'll have poor control of your condition, with the risk of side effects, such as a sore throat or mouth infection. Before you use your Turbohaler for the first time, you need to prepare it for use. Unscrew the white mouthpiece cover and remove it from the inhaler. Hold the Turbohaler upright and turn the grip as far as it will go in one direction and then as far as it will go in the other direction until you hear a click. Do this again, turning the grip in both directions. Replace the mouthpiece cover. Your inhaler is now ready for use. You should always sit upright or stand up when using your Turbohaler. Unscrew the white mouthpiece cover and remove it from the inhaler. Hold the Turbohaler upright and turn the grip as far as it will go in one direction and then as far as it will go in the other direction until you hear a click. This will load a dose of medication ready for you to inhale. When you're ready, breathe out gently as far as you comfortably can, but not into the mouthpiece. Place the mouthpiece into your mouth and between your teeth, but don't bite down on it. Close your lips around the mouthpiece to form a tight seal. Breathe in through your mouth as fast and hard as you can to inhale the full dose of medication. Remove the inhaler from your mouth. Now breathe out slowly and gently away from the mouthpiece. If your doctor has told you to take 2 puffs of medication, wait for 1 minute before repeating the procedure, starting by twisting the grip of the inhaler in both directions. Once you are finished, replace the mouthpiece cover straight away and store it in a dry place. If your inhaler contains a steroid, brush your teeth or rinse your mouth with water and spit it out after every use to prevent mouth infections. Ask your pharmacist if you're unsure whether your inhaler contains a steroid. There is a dose counter window on your inhaler. When a red line appears in the top of the window, there are approximately 20 doses remaining. You should order a new inhaler from your GP at this time. If you're unsure about how to use your Turbohaler inhaler or have any other questions, speak to your GP, practice nurse or pharmacist for assistance.